Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. We will start with blocking the number which you've got saved on your contact list. So let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now in this contact settings we've got block numbers option, so let's simply tap, and here your device will inform you what it will actually block. So of course the calls and text messages. So just tap on block, and for some reason I am unable to block the numbers, probably because I do not have my SIM card inserted, but no worries, I'm pretty sure that this option will work in your case. You can unblock the number the same way, just by tapping on this option here. Obviously it will be unblock the number, and this is how it works. Now let me show you another way of blocking the number, and here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner in this section and enter the settings. Here in this general list we have to enter blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. Here we've got our previously blocked number. We can add a number manually, just tap on this option, and in this section we can simply enter it, tap on block, and it will be immediately applied. What is more, here you can turn on the option to block the calls from all unidentified callers just by using the switcher at the top, and from now on it works. Of course you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher, and if you want to unblock the numbers, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.